A tiny tear in fabric can unravel an entire garment, costing hundreds in replacement swiftly. Yet a simple needle and thread hold the power to restore it, saving both time and money easily. Every household eventually encounters those frustrating minor fabric mishaps that appear seemingly out of nowhere. Whether a loose button, a hem coming undone, or a small rip, these issues feel daunting initially. Ignoring these small, seemingly insignificant problems often leads to bigger, irreversible damage eventually. Understanding basic needle skills empowers you to confidently tackle these common household fixes yourself. This fundamental ability truly transforms costly item replacements into effortless, quick, and satisfying repairs. Mastering these simple techniques extends the life of your favorite items dramatically and sustainably. First, let's secure a loose button, a common and easily fixed household annoyance. You will need a sharp needle, strong thread matching the garment color, and small scissors. Thread your needle, doubling the thread for extra strength, then tie a knot at the end. Start by pushing the needle from the fabric's underside, through one buttonhole carefully.
Pull the thread completely through, ensuring the knot is hidden beneath the fabric's surface.
Next, push the needle down through another buttonhole, securing the button firmly in place. Repeat this process through all buttonholes several times, creating truly sturdy stitches. But that's not the only powerful way to reinforce a truly wobbly button. For added durability, create a small shank by wrapping thread around the stitches several times. This provides crucial space for the fabric underneath, preventing future stress on the button. Finally, secure your work with a small knot on the fabric's underside, then trim excess thread. Now, let's tackle a small fabric tear, restoring integrity to your favorite clothes quickly. Choose a needle appropriate for your fabric type and a matching, durable thread for the repair. Begin by trimming any frayed edges around the tear, creating a cleaner, more manageable repair area. Position the two torn edges together, aligning the original fabric pattern very carefully. Use a whip stitch or a small running stitch to join the edges discreetly and firmly. Start from the underside, bringing the needle up through one edge of the tear precisely. Then take tiny stitches across the gap, catching both fabric edges consistently and gently. Ensure your stitches are close together, creating a strong, almost invisible seam eventually. Wait until you see how easily this simple method vanishes into the fabric itself. Continue stitching until the entire tear is closed, overlapping slightly at the end for security. Once complete, tie a secure knot on the fabric's underside, then trim the thread cleanly. For delicate fabrics, consider adding a small iron-on patch to the underside first for reinforcement. This provides crucial extra stability, preventing the tear from expanding under future stress. Lastly, we'll fix a dropped hem, a quick fix that instantly elevates appearance significantly. Gather your needle, matching thread, a ruler or measuring tape, and pins for this task. Fold the hem up to its original length, using a ruler to ensure an even, straight line. Secure the folded hem with pins, spacing them every few inches along the entire edge. Choose a blind hem stitch for an almost invisible repair on most garment types. Start by anchoring your thread with a small knot hidden securely within the hem's fold. Bring the needle up from the fold, catching just one or two threads from the garment fabric. Then push the needle back into the hem fold, advancing about ½ inch inside.
This creates tiny, almost imperceptible stitches on the garment's exterior surface, nearly disappearing.
And then something unexpected happens with this technique, making it truly special and unique. The thread travels mostly within the hem, making the outer stitch virtually invisible.
Continue stitching around the entire hem, removing pins as you progress steadily forward.
Ensure consistent tension to prevent puckering or unevenness along the fabric edge effectively. Once you reach your starting point, secure the thread with a knot inside the hem. Trim any excess thread cleanly, leaving your garment looking perfectly tailored and fresh. These simple needle techniques provide incredible power to save your belongings from wear. Imagine the countless items you can rescue from the discard pile with these skills. The satisfaction of repairing something yourself is truly an unmatched and rewarding feeling. It's like having a mini magic wand for all those annoying little fabric problems. Each successful repair builds confidence in your practical, everyday abilities significantly. Mastering these basic needle repairs drastically reduces your clothing waste instantly and sustainably. You save money by extending the lifespan of cherished garments and household textiles significantly. This practical skill fosters self-sufficiency, moving beyond consumer disposability and reliance. It instills a valuable sense of accomplishment, transforming frustration into triumph and pride. Imagine no longer needing to replace a favorite shirt because of a missing button. Embracing simple needle repairs keeps your favorite items pristine and lasts longer, saving money. If you found these practical tips helpful, subscribe for more incredible DIY solutions, and let me know in the comments what home fix you tackled most recently.